More acres and homes burned by 3 major wildfires in Northern California, 2 in Siskiyou County and 1 in Shasta County. The Salt Fire north of Redding burned through a neighborhood, destroying at least a dozen homes. It's burned around 7,500 acres, but containment is still only at 5%. Investigators are also trying to track down a car that may have sparked the fire Wednesday afternoon along Interstate 5. And about 50 miles to the north, a lava fire near the town of Weed has grown to more than 24,000 acres. It's the biggest of the season so far, and it's growing. Some people were allowed to return home today, although 2,300 are still evacuated. And 20 miles northeast, crews are making slow progress against the Tennant fire, which has also burned several structures. It stands at around 10,000 acres with containment at just 20%.